even if I lose an eye.
No.
No!
With the parachute, they're very heavy. Don't be a pussy.
I'm not familiar with these birds. I don't think he likes me.
And I almost kissed one, but I don't want to lose an eye. Will you marry me even if I lose an eye?
No.
No! No hesitation, he said no.
No.
No. Gino, Jasmine with one eye, and he'd still be punching.
Oh, absolutely.
Jasmine seems extra stressed about the wedding planning, but I just want Jasmine to have a good time and, be happy with each other again.
One salsa class is going to fix that.
Yeah, that's lose your body. Just feel
I'm
this.
trying to.
Oh, this is
Baby,
so
you have a
cringe.
stick on your. Just move.
I would describe my dancing as like John Travolta,
What, night
Just
fever?
kidding. Yeah, I need a lot of work with my dancing.
Our previous experiences. No.
John
That was
Travolta.
the
I
night
only
fever, yeah.
He's doing it good, great. I'm so proud of you, baby.
Hey!
She's not shouting at me for
God.
once.
Alex, you're doing great.
Go, Gino.
Woo!
And look at what he said. He said, Mami, me encantó el video de Miami. Tell Papa Gino that I love him so much.
Oh.
And yes, Papa Gino, que lo quiero mucho. And that I'm learning English.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
He's
because
dreaming
Gino
of
can't be
coming
off.
here.
Because Gino's been seeing this woman for
He's-
years. He hasn't learned a word of Spanish.
Do you know what I find funny is that his ex-wife, I think, she spoke Portuguese, and when he was on a video call with Fiance, Jasmine's son,
Oh, yeah.
he spoke to him in Portuguese.
Yes, I remember.
That is so horrible.
Oh, God. What an idiot.
But I want to be more than a bonus dad too. I would like to try to be a real dad.
Being a bonus dad is being a real dad.
I can't. His voice is...
I honestly feel like, I know he's trying to talk about like man and open, like being a dad or whatever, but I still feel like the way she speaks to him is like a mom speaking to her child, be like, yes, little boy, you can do it. I know,
I want to be the real dad.
Yeah, I know you can do it. I believe in you.
Oh, my goodness.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
His voice is too good. It's like when he goes, that's not cheating.
my name is Gino.
I'm Dino. We shouldn't make fun of him because he can't help his voice, but it is iconic, and he, at this point, he knows what his voice sounds like. So.
I would like to have one child of my own. At least one would be nice. I'm like
Look how worried he is just bringing this up.
Oh,
with
yeah.
He's shitting himself.
almost mid-50s now. I'd like to try to do it soon.
It's very hard for him to communicate. He doesn't have a verbal language. But what makes it difficult to have a child with special needs is not the child, it's the people. It's very hard. It's not easy. People are very mean, and I just confirmed that once I have my son, because people are mean. Some people, they have no tolerance. I'm glad that sometimes my son doesn't even realize what's going on around, but me as a mom, I do. If we go to a restaurant and he's not behaving as a neurotypical kid, you have the stares, you have the ugly looks, you have even the staff from the restaurant,
Wow.
and it hurts me a lot. I don't know if I will have the strength to go through this. I don't know, baby. What if I cannot give you a neurotypical kid? I don't know, it scares me to death. I don't know if
It's still a human being, and we're gonna take care of him, right? Can't predict it.
Exactly.
You can't
It
predict.
scares me, baby. It's my fault. I wrote
It's not
it.
your fault.
How do you know that? Even doctors cannot tell. Why?
Still a child, you know, there's no difference whether he has a disability or not. That's the way you should look at it. Nothing is your fault. Don't think it's your fault. It's really painful to see Jasmine so emotional and, you know, sad. And the thing is I feel helpless because there's not much I can really do about it. So it just makes me sad to see her like this. I just want to assure her that, you know, whatever happens with us in regards to children, whether we have a child or not, I will always be there for her no matter what, and I'm not going to abandon her.
That's the first time I've seen Gino that supportive. That's very heartwarming to see.
Yeah, but it's only because he wants, you know, wants a kid with her.
Yeah.
He wants his own kid, so he kind of has to.
Did you say he's faking the supportiveness?
Probably not. But I think he does mean it. I don't know.
Well, only because he has something to gain.
Maybe. Maybe.
Next time, a 90-day fiancé.
Baby,
That is that.
tú quieres casarte.
He's learned Spanish! He's
Gino
learned
has
Spanish!
shown me nothing but love during this trip. But I've been feeling guilty because I have lied to Gino and I have hid things that
His ex, her ex.
I shouldn't have.
Her
Next
telling
page.
her the money for her fake
Awesome,
bum.
thank
Yeah.
you.
Enjoy.
Wow.
I'm so excited for the next episode.
Me too.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Let us know who was your favorite couple this episode.
Go down in the comments, like and subscribe for more.
I will see you again next time.
Bye!